Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure freelance services with 99 Designs, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the 99 Designs website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your name and email address. Choose a password and confirm your identity through the verification link sent to your email. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. Select the type of design service you need from the options available. Review the different design categories, such as logo, web, or packaging design. Click on your chosen category to explore further. Identify whether you want to start a contest or hire a designer directly. If you prefer a contest, click on the Start a Contest button. Fill out the design brief, detailing your project requirements and brand vision. Specify your preferences regarding style, colors, and any inspiration. Set a budget for your contest, keeping in mind the average price range for designs. Select the contest duration, typically ranging from 3 to 7 days. After submitting your brief, designers will begin to submit their concepts. Take the time to review each submission carefully. Provide feedback to designers whose work resonates with you. Engage with designers directly for any adjustments or questions. Once the contest ends, choose the winning design that best meets your needs. Proceed to finalize the payment for the winning design. If opting for one-on-one hiring, browse through the profiles of available designers. Look for designers whose portfolios align with your vision. Reach out to your selected designer with a clear project description. Discuss timelines, budgets, and specific requirements in your communication. Once agreed upon, finalize the terms and initiate the project. Throughout the process, maintain open communication with your designer. Review drafts and provide feedback promptly to ensure timely delivery. Once you receive your final design, ensure it meets all your expectations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.